If you want to set up content and privacy restrictions on your iPhone 17e, you just have to open the settings on your phone. Next, we're gonna scroll down and we need to find the screen time option. Now in these screen time settings, we should be able to locate content and privacy restrictions, so we can select that. Over here we can easily turn it on, and then we have the setup. So you can, for example, go to the, let's say, allowed apps and features, and you can decide which apps should be allowed to be accessible from the home screen. And besides that, if we go to the App Store, Media, Web and Games, you can of course set up age restrictions or certain limits. Like let's say if I go to apps in here, I can choose the age rating restriction over here. I can don't allow, you can set to don't allow, you can set unrated, and so on and so forth. And also we can see apps that are already installed that are above the selected age rating. And that is pretty much it. Of course, make sure to go through all of these options in order to adjust it all to your needs and enable certain restrictions that you want to have enabled on your iPhone 17e. Leave a like and subscribe.